Alright, so we are at Van right now and we are heading up towards Bedni Bugyal from here. And there are 4 people in our team. There's Rakesh, there's Oshan, there's Paji and there's me. So यहाँ से हम लोग अभी जाएंगे रनकाधार से गैरोली पाताल, गैरोली से फिर जाएंगे बेदनी and we might stay over there. उसके बाद का प्लान अभी फिक्स नहीं है. Let's see how it goes. ये कुकर थोड़ा परेशान कर रहा है, बाकी सब ठीक है. So we have reached Rankadhar over here and our route from now on will be going this way, then going down towards the river और फिर वहाँ से will be going up and over there the barren patch, that is Bedni Bugyal, which is where we'll be going to stay for today, and Gairoli is somewhere in between. So we are at the stream right now, and from here on it's all an ascent towards Gairoli. So this is the way which heads up all the way till Gairoli. The next break will be at Gairoli and from there we'll be going to Bedni. Rakesh over here is going old school with the pinpoint camera, Nikon Coolpix and some high-tech machines over here. Oshan with his fancy gimbal. We are finally reaching Gairoli Patal. Those are the green huts made by the forest people. It's fun. Little exhausting, but we're good. I think we should reach Bedni in a while. Ushan wants to say something.
I don't want to say
So this is our lunch for today. 2 parle ji, 2 munch, 2 barwan, kaju badam, full power. Some dry wood. आग लगाने के लिए. आज आप तो आग लगा दोगे. मैं भी इधर बैठ जाता हूँ मस्त तरीके. Packed and loaded. We are heading to Bedni right now. खाना हो गया है, सब लोग फुल पावर और ठंड भी बहुत है. So from here onwards we'll be heading above the tree line. So tree line is basically an imaginary line where the tree ends. Above that you won't see any higher trees. So that is somewhere between 10 to 12,000 feet, and above that mostly you'll see grass and shrubs, which is what we're going to see once we go up there. It's a steep ascent from here and we are taking it slowly. From here we'll be waiting at Dauliadhar. From there it's a good view. So let's see. We are at Dauliadhar and like I told you, we are above the tree line from here. इससे आगे there won't be any big trees. और over there, that is Ali Bugyal. That is where we'll be going tomorrow. and above us is Bethany, and over there, hidden in the clouds, that's Mount Trishul. So this place is called Doliadhar क्योंकि नंदा देवी राजजात यात्रा जो शुरू होती है, it happens only once in 12 years. So जो डोली होती है, Van is the village from where we start. वहाँ से गैरोली they come for one stop. और बेदनी पहुँचने से पहले यहाँ पर वो एक स्टॉप लेते हैं, which is why this is called Doliadhar. और इसके बाद फिर इसके बीच में वो कहीं नहीं रुकते, सीधे जाके बेदनी. So this is that place. So finally हम लोग पहुँच गए बेदनी और हट में है राकेश अनपैकिंग स्टफ ओवर यार. पार्ले जी दिखाई दे रहा है मुझे और पिकल
Very important.
पिकल ब्रेड अच्छी तरह आ गया. वाह क्या बात है, एक रबर बहुत हार्ड. ये साला कुकर शाम करता है. This is the ration we have for 2 days. Chana, milk powder. This is kishmish. Okay, mirchi, dal, soup packets, popcorn. This is a gas canister. So आज का खाना है हमारा दाल and rice. Perfectly cooked rice और दाल. Chef गुरदीप पाजी. कैसा है फील खाना?
बड़ी खतरनाक एकदम मस्त.
So this is the view from Bedni Bugyal, and we are staying over here. The middle one, the middle hut is where we are staying. ऊपर है बेदनी कुंड and Bedni top over there, and behind this is Mount Trishul. So it's snowing right now. It's snowing right now over there. Yeah. This is peanut butter and Nutella bread. अभी Nutella बिल्कुल पत्थर हो गया है. राकेश खाएगा. So all that behind me is Ali Bugyal, and in summers it's totally green. पूरा green होता है ये पूरा area. It's proper green color. I didn't get a chance to see it in the summers, but we'll make do with what we have. So that is Bedni top, Bedni Bugyal उसके नीचे है, and this side is Ali top. ये जो है that is Ali top, and all of this is Ali Bugyal. एकदम झकास. Okay, so it's the first view of the village Balan. यहाँ से नीचे सीधे सीधे में दिख रहा है, that is the village that we'll be taking halt. और जो route है, we'll go from this way and then we'll head down towards the village. Today we are going to take rest at Balan, and I think we'll be reaching early today, around 3 o'clock, and then we'll rest. Just above the village, there is this top called Kopta Top. उस तरफ है हिमनी, and on top of that mountain, जो कि snow clad है, that is Bakshi Bugyal. That is where we'll be going, maybe day after tomorrow. So we have reached Balan, and this is the village. Very small village, very beautiful village. This nice valley. So we have reached Balan and we are going to stay in this beautiful school over here. लेकिन स्कूल में पहुंचने से पहले प्रेजेंट ही तो इम्पोर्टेंट है.
मन नहीं था आने का लेकिन राकेश प्रेजेंट सर.
आशय प्रेजेंट सर. We reached Balan at 3 and we might be staying put in the school. So अभी थोड़ा घूमने जा रहे हैं, विलेज देख के आते हैं.
दाल सा
यहाँ पे मस्त आग लगा के हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं. बाहर बहुत ठंडा है. बाजी क्या हो रहा है?
बैठ जाओ.
उषाद हमारे दोस्त है यहाँ पर.
बहुत सही है.
So finally our stay in Balan is over and we're going to leave this beautiful place for today. So our plan for today is we were supposed to go to Himni, but then we are going to go to Ges. Ges is also a small village from where Bakshi Bugyal is pretty much closer than Himni. So we'll be going to Ges today and we'll be camping in Ges. So that is our plan. Today we are going towards Ges, which is over there, जहाँ से पूरा स्मोक निकल रहा है. उसके पीछे है वहाँ बैतरा, ये है हिमनी, और हिमनी से रोड गई हुई है. there's a road over here जो कि 1.5 किलोमीटर पहले जहाँ से हम रुके थे वहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाती है. और पीछे पीक्स है बहुत सारे मस्त, त्रिशूल 1, त्रिशूल 2. मज़ा. It's been almost 1.5 hours since we started from Balan and we are going to reach the Kali Ganga river. From there onwards the trail is over there. It will head up towards Ges. So Ges is somewhere above this cliff. It's about that. So we are going there and there'll be a stop for day. There is a trolley set up to cross the river, the Kali Ganga, but I think it works mechanically. So we won't be crossing from that. There's a bridge down there. We'll be crossing from that. We have finally reached Gaze village and this is the village below us. Time is 1:15, so बहुत जल्दी पहुंच गए हम लोग. Expected नहीं था कि पहुंचेंगे इतना जल्दी, but we are here. The place we reached earlier was in the village. That is a part of the village, but main village जो है, it is up here. So we had to climb around 2 kilometers. It was a steep ascent and now we've reached. So this is where we're going to stay, where everyone is standing. And we have this beautiful view over here. So let me show you today's stay. यहाँ पे हम लोग रहने वाले और इससे कोजी जगह मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखी. In this trip, this is where we'll be staying. ये bed. This is all the mattresses. Wow, this is luxury for us. आज बहुत मस्त नींद है, एकदम मस्त.
खोल के सोएंगे, खोल के.
Finally, some sun after 3 days. मजा आ रहा है. तो अभी वी आर स्टार्टिंग टुवर्ड्स बख्शी बुग्याल. टाइम हो गया है 9:30. पाजी इज लीडिंग द वे. राकेश और ओशान. वेदर थोड़ा डाइसी है. इट्स क्लाउडी ओवर हियर और स्नोफॉल हो रहा है. सो आई थिंक इट विल बी स्नोइंग इन बख्शी. लेट्स सी, मज़ा आने वाला है. तो अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं सरमाथा टॉप और बहुत बढ़िया व्यू है यहाँ से. और उधर वो देर ये जो टॉप है, दैट इज आजन टॉप, जो कि लोहाजंग के काफ़ी पास है. एंड यू कैन सी द एरिया ओवर देर. पीछे बेकन ताल. यहाँ पे 2 टावर दिख रहे हैं लोहाजंग के. We have reached Sarmatha top and one uncle, he's guided us till here. And these people in the mountain, they are so sweet. He took us to his place. This is his place. और इतना beautiful view है यहाँ से. I'll just show you around. अंकल जी हम लोग को घर ले गए, चाय पिलाई और रास्ता भी दिखाया. सो वी आर हेडेड टू बख्शी. नेक्स्ट स्टॉप बख्शी बुग्याल. बख्शी अराउंड 1 किलोमीटर होगा. 1 किलोमीटर को 1 घंटे लग जाएंगे. सो यू टेकन अ ब्रेक एंड वी आर हॉगिंग ऑन पार्ले जी एंड पीनट बटर. अगर कभी नहीं खाया ज़िंदगी में तो ट्राई करना. एक बार ट्राई करना. पीनट बटर पार्ले जी, क्लास. Finally reaching Bachchi Bugyal. Just over there, that is Bachchi. आज खा रहे न्यूटेला का पूरा डब्बा. इसको देखो पीने जा रहा है. We have come to get some water और The stream is completely frozen over here. See this. There's a tiny this thing from where there's water. यहाँ पे ओले गिर रहे हैं, आग तो चली जाने वाली है हमारी।
हाँ भाई आगे आगे चलेगी।
सोने की सारी सेटिंग हो गई है, सब रेडी। बाहर देखते हैं क्या सीन है। पूरा वाइट, मस्त स्नोफॉल हो रही है। बंद कर देते, गुड नाइट। It is a very beautiful morning at Bakchi Bugyal campsite, and we are all set to go towards the village gauge. And everyone's wearing the gaiters over here. You can see water can. Yes, this is a water can. And let me show you outside what the situation is. So there's around 3 inches of snow right now, and we're going to start walking in this. There's a lot of snow, fresh snow. And we are going to start our descent in this. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be fun.
Yep.
2 more epic adventures. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Today is a perfect example how mountains are different on the every other day. So yesterday we came to this trail, slippery, and it was totally like covered in mud. It was barren, and right now if you see, there's all snow around. Everywhere there's snow. It's all white. This is the place where we had our lunch yesterday, and look at this. It's all white. Whee! So finally we have reached Gaze, and this is where one of our many adventures come to an end. We'll say bye bye.